The fish that was too big for its own good. Ever heard of a fish so big it thought it owned the ocean? Well, these villagers had other plans. They harpooned the poor fella, dragged him to a volcano, as you do, and deep-fried him. Oops, burnt to a crisp. The villagers cried. Maybe they should have ordered pizza. The moral? Don't cook fish in volcanoes. Want more silly stories? Subscribe for animated adventures and laugh-out-loud tales. Share this with your friends and let's get creative together.